So we're setting up Elys Workstation, all of the components that are included, you know, the workstation, the tablet, and the printer, the cash drawer, barcode scanner here. We're gonna get all of this set up. We're gonna do the software after that. The very first thing that I have here is a hub, right? So this is a hub that gets plugged into the workstation. Tablets get powered by the workstation, and then hub is what receives all the other connections. So here I have my workstation, and if you already put in this metal plate, you will need to take it off because the connection for the hub is actually inside that plate, and it can be on either side, this side or that side. And so I'll go ahead and plug in from this side. So now we have it plugged in, and from here, the DC in, that's the power. And now I'll go ahead and put back the plate, and it clicks in. Let's do this. So the other two components that you need are these, right? So you have the power and you have the adapter. And this gets assembled together and then plugged in here, and this goes into the power outlet, this right here. And open up this cable here, and this and here goes like that. This and here like that. There we go. And then this end goes to the power outlet. There's a little power light right here. So the power button is right here. I'm just gonna press and hold. That's usually the procedure. There we go. And that turns it on. And while it does that, what I will do is take this tablet and connect it to here. Just flip it over so you can see. And it's just a magnet. Let's go ahead and do that as well. It looks like it's charging. There is a button that I can press right here. I think what it's trying to tell me is that it cannot go on until the battery charges. So here's the Elys, and it's been turned on, and I'm just gonna continue connecting things to it. Right, so we have this receipt printer. Right here it is. The receipt printer has its own power. This goes here, and then I already plugged into the. We'll use this. Let's see where it goes. And there's a ton of these USB connections on the hub side, so I can just plug one of these like that. And then this end needs to be on the receipt printer. So it's going to be this one here. I'm going to turn that on. There it is. And the reason why it's beeping is because it wants paper. All right, so what it basically says right here is that you drop the paper this way. There you go. And then it does the rest. When we open the device, we see that it detected the receipt printer, and we're gonna say connect, and it's connected. So the widgets that we have, let's do a print test. Okay. Connect the cash drawer to the station here, and there's this cable that sticks out of the cash drawer at the bottom, and all we need to do is just take it hub. All right, so here's our hub, and we can, I'm assuming not these, this one, right? Okay. Looks like it's plugged in. All right, and then we have the barcode scanner, right, which also gets plugged into the hub. It's just a USB connect on the hub, like this. And then you hear that sound. Two sounds. One from the scanner, and the other one appears like from. So you see how it says connect physical keyboard. So right now it goes in as a keyboard, basically.